Horse. Horses have four powerful legs, two eyes and a nose, ears and a tail.
Goat. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as a livestock.
Sheep. Sheep or domestic sheep are a domesticated ruminant mammal, typically kept as a livestock.
Cow. Cows are renowned for their large milk-producing glands known as udders, which possess four teats. Dog. It is a very clever animal and is very useful in catching thieves.
Hen. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species.
Camel. Camels are also called the sheep of the desert. They live in the desert and are perfectly adapted to the environment.
Duck. A duck is a small type of swimming bird with a short neck and legs.